Ever wondered why Nepal faces so many earthquakes? Here's what you need to know. In 2015, Nepal experienced a devastating earthquake of 7.8 magnitude. It left nearly 9,000 people dead and affected millions. The reason? Nepal sits on a major fault line where the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates collide. This constant movement builds up stress, causing frequent and powerful quakes. But there's hope. Nepal is working on better building codes and disaster preparedness to protect its people. Stay informed, stay safe. Thanks for watching.